Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I add textures to the background of my images. I have it in mind that this tutorial works with Adobe Photoshop from 2020 to 2021. So if you don't have that, you might actually want to download it and watch the tutorial that I'm about to make. It's going to be a quick tutorial actually, so just sit back and relax and enjoy, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe and leave your comments down below. I'll really appreciate. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so first of all, you have to create a new layer. You have to come here, create a new layer, and then go to Windows and make sure properties is selected, and make sure that you're on Photoshop 2020 and 2021. Anything below that will not work for this tutorial. Okay, so come to properties that is here. There is this tab that is here, properties, adjustments, and libraries. Just click on the properties and then scroll down. You see where they wrote remove background. Click on remove background and wait for Photoshop to remove the background. Make sure that you're having a plain background because it works well on a plain background. Okay, so once Photoshop has removed the background, you have to come and click on the layer mask and then click on select and mask. Okay, so I usually set my smoothness to 15 or 16, and then my feathering should be 2.6 or 3.6 or 3.3, anything between 2.8 and 3.6. It's okay. So click OK, and then you have to now import the texture background that you want to use for the image. I will import my own. I'm going to use this. Okay, and then I have to drag this image on top of the image that we are working with. I click Ctrl T to resize this backdrop, this texture image. Okay, and then click OK. So what next you are going to do is you have to drag this top layer under, you have to drag it below the second layer. Okay, see how it's looking? It's looking kind of fake and too graphical. So we have to, what I do from here is I reduce the opacity of this second layer to 15 or 16, depending on what you depending on how you want it to look like. So okay, and what I'll do next is to go to filter and choose Gaussian blur so that I can be able to match the depth of field of the original picture. So I choose Gaussian blur and then set my radius to 7.4, 6.4. I think 6.4 is okay. Yeah. If you're going to add any adjustment to this second layer, make sure that you always clip mask so that it won't affect any other thing in the image apart from the textured background. Okay, so let's use levels. Okay, let's clip the mask. Click Alt key and then click in between the layer 2 and the levels layer. So see, anything you're going to do is only going to affect the layer that is below. Okay, so yeah, if you're going to add any other adjustment like selective colors, still try and do a clipping mask too. Okay guys, and this is the before and the after, before and after. Okay, Okay guys, if you learned something new from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and then turn on notification button so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it. Okay, yeah, thank you very much, and see you guys later. Bye.